Let's go. That's my favorite term. Let's go. So, taking this van to Advance 4x4 down in Utah. 10-hour drive. Check my fluids. I definitely have an oil leak, and I definitely have like a rack and pinion leak for my steering. It's a mess under there. But I'm just gonna let them know, like, hey, she's a 20-year-old van and I got some maintenance to do. I will get to it. You're gonna be like, why are you putting all the... who am I kidding? They're gonna love to take my money. You know what the best part is? This. I just hop back here, turn on the lights, I'll make myself a cup of coffee. I love my finish here. I can't wait to build more of this van. So we're right in here. Got a long way to go. Dude, the van is so great. That is such a great thing. Yeah, I'm convinced that I made a good choice with the high top. It's so cool to just hop back there and not be crawling around. We're about 33 miles outside of La Grande, Oregon, and I think this may be our only snow with any luck. Let's just get back on that freeway and carry on. Past the 45th parallel. I'm halfway between the equator and the North Pole. I had to stop and take a piss. I figured I'd run up this hill. Why not? Stretch it out, run up the hill, turn around and look at the van. Back in the van. Back on the road. Man, that guy's hauling ass. We're currently leaving Oregon, man. Welcome to Idaho, bro. Gas is considerably cheaper in Idaho than Oregon. Oregon was like $3.59 and now it's $2.75, I think. That is amazing. I don't really like Oregon and their road tax. Back on the road. It Well, I'm in flip-flops and shorts and a t-shirt. I have been rolling that way the whole time, all the way through Oregon, but it's cold in Idaho. I think my final destination for the evening is about Idaho Falls. I think that's a couple hours away. I'm not exactly sure. I do know I'm past Boise. It's like 22 degrees, it's cold. I made it to a nice little traveler's oasis. Got my van all set up, somewhat. It's all gonna get tore apart one day, but here's my bed. Here's the nicest part of the van. I'm gonna call it a night. I have 3 hours to Salt Lake, so I'm not in a hurry tomorrow. That's really nice, because I can get down there and get prepped. Good night again. Good morning. Oh my God, you gotta check this out. Look at all these piss jugs. Look at that sexy van. We have made it to Utah. We got 109 miles to Salt Lake. So I'm at a truck stop here. I just wanted to get some before pictures or video of this van before I drop it off and go check into my motel room. I'm really excited to see what it looks like later. Let's just look at it before right now. We made it. Early check-in, not a bad room. Let's go pack up the rest of my stuff. It's so nice to have all this room. Before I would be crouched over packing, and now I'm just packing. I'm packing in comfort. Man, it makes things so much more convenient. Just like that, we are living out of 2 considerably small carry-on backpacks, laptop, drone, everything I need for the next 2 months. Let's go drop off that van. Driving down a train track. We gotta get to the 4x4 shop. It's right there. But yeah, I'm just ripping down the tracks. Well, they walked me around, showed me some wheels I got to look at. the process of how it's done. I'm gonna walk my ass to the train up here, and I'm so excited to look at it when I get back. Randy and those guys at Advanced 4x4 seem like good people. I'm gonna end this video right here, go hop on a train, head back to my room, and then we're gonna go to Panama. Thanks for watching.